go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
For today's auspicious event, 7 MOUs will be signed between Nigeria and Brazil, focusing on key sectors and segments of the economy. The remaining will be signed tomorrow during the business forum, and these MOUs will also focus on such sectors. Now we've gotten to the point where the MOUs will be exchanged by the Vice President. The exchange is done. A round of applause, please. And while the signing is ongoing, please don't forget that this is a very good opportunity for continued robust engagement between the public and private sectors, because we have a lot of captains of industries in the hall, along with a lot of representatives from the federal government as well as the state governments as well. So networking is very important as both countries continue to solidify the partnerships that we're witnessing being signed here today. Now the handshake, exchange and handshake of the MOU and both vice presidents. We'd like to ask the Vice President of the Federal